from VMD Italia, and I'm going to talk to you today about this new product, VMD 100 PVC. This varnish is suitable for the painting of all kinds of supports such as metal, wood, but mostly for PVCs. The important thing is that there is no need for a primer application before. Another important thing is that this varnish is a polyurethanic water-based product, and it has completely no solvents inside of it, so therefore it is very indicated for do-it-yourself applications. Another important property of this product is that it is very elastic, so it doesn't get ruined by the change of temperatures and weather. The product is available in many different colors. We have a very wide range of colors. As you can see, we have applied some of the colors on these objects. So we put the colors, you put the fantasy. So please check out our website. It's full of other products that we produce, and follow us on our social medias.